Curly Teas. Today we're making a serum with DMAE and Centella extract for facial skin that actually hates oils and heavy silicone. So keep watching. Centella is said to help stimulate collagen over time and is often found in anti-aging over-the-counter products. DMAE is said to temporarily help make skin look firmer and smoother. Gel Maker Powder is the self-wetting version of Acrylate's C1030 alkyl acrylate cross polymer. There are different versions of this ingredient. Get the self-wetting version, which I got at makingcosmetics.com. It works with manual stirring, it works well with electrolytes, and it helps thicken surfactant systems. However, it's pH sensitive, so low pH formulas can cause the viscosity to remain liquid. I seriously advise you to use a mask when handling this ingredient. Like, I'm really serious. The powder can turn cloudy with movement and you don't want to breathe that stuff in. Gel Maker Powder dissolves quite well with simple hand mixing. You can let let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes just to make sure it dissolves fully. Okay, let me show you right quick how well this polymer works. I was on version 7 of this serum formula and I used various other polymers before, so I wanted to see how well this polymer worked. Now, you can skip this step completely. You don't have to do this right now. When you're working with polymers, I suggest to go ahead and use a heavy-duty pH adjuster so you won't have to worry so much. Just 2 drops of AMP turn the water into a thick, quick breaking gel. Now the final product won't be this thick though. Topical DMAE is said to have the effect of making the skin temporarily appear tighter. It also allegedly helps with skin texture over time. Now, I'm sticking to within the usage recommendation from the supplier, but next time I'll use DMAE at 2%. Okay, hear me out. YouTube, stay tripping. This channel is not monetized, thus and therefore, members at CURLYTEA.com have access to the full videos, instructions, ingredient list, and my notes. So come join us today. I'm using a squeeze bottle with an attached top for the serum. It won't get clogged and you won't have to worry about losing the top. The final serum is not greasy, not sticky. It's quick breaking and very easy to apply. It's intended for those who can't take heavy silicones or oils on the face without it affecting texture or clogging the pores. However, if your skin is super dry, this is not the formula for you. It's very interesting, right? Experimenting with various polymers and to see how they work with various ingredients. DMAE was breaking viscosities left and right, various other versions of this formula I made, but now I have something to work with, plus a no-fuss pH adjuster that worked well with this formula. As always, well, by now y'all know what to do. For all of the DIY formulas, including instructions, my notes, and other information, join CURLYTEA.com or become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!